one very important aspect, what I really love about at least the first and second semester in this university, is the fact that we are allowed to audit electives. Now, a lot of universities have electives, but they are not, students of the first and second year are not allowed to attend them. In Jindal, as contrast to that, we aren't allowed to take those courses up for credits, but we are still allowed to audit them, which means that by the time we reach to third year, when we're actually supposed to take the electives, we have a definite idea as to what we want to study and why we want to study that. Secondly, what I love to a great extent is the fact that the core focus over here is not just on education and classes. Internships and real-life experiences are promoted to a very great extent. Our faculty members, our TAs and our seniors stress upon the importance of these internship and actual work experiences, and they explain to us how practical knowledge is just as important, if not more, as textbook knowledge. Thirdly, what I really loved about the campus is that the teaching style of the faculty is very different from what I have experienced and heard about from our fellow students and friends in other law schools. The faculty over here is very interactive. You can approach them whenever you want to, inside and outside class. You can go talk to them about not just their subject, but any point that interests you. And for example, I was planning on writing a research paper on law of contracts, but I can take opinions from a wide range of faculty members, not just my contracts professor, and that helps me gain a lot of insights and opinions about my subject matter, and that helps me write my paper and eventually succeed in law school. So I am currently involved in debating to a great extent, as well as the Music Society. On campus, we have a lot of different societies for people who are interested in a particular hobby or aspect. For example, the Music Society over here is a very big group which has a lot of students from all over the country, very talented students, and we have a lot of performances as well as fests where we are allowed to express our talents. I have been playing the drums for about 5 years now, and coming to Jindal did not in fact make me stop pursuing my talent. It just promoted it. There are so many different festivals where I can perform, and it has helped me gain a lot of confidence, as well as helped me de-stress from all the academic studying that we have. I am a holder of the Savitri Jindal Merit Scholarship. I hold a 75% scholarship on the academic fees in Jindal. And I feel that is very important, because Jindal can be considered a place which is not very affordable by a large amount of the public. But after gaining my scholarship, it was like a blessing for me, and because of that I am able to attend such an amazing law school, and so are a lot of students writing a research paper on the law of contracts. And what motivated me to do the same was my professor as well as my TA. They told me about the importance of writing and publishing in the initial years of law school, because how these help you eventually get a placement in the future. Not that Jindal doesn't help us do that anyway. And yeah, that is the reason I'm writing my research paper right now, and hopefully it will get published in a good journal.